हाय फ्रेंड्स, संध्या दिस साइड। और आज मैं संध्या के साथ कुछ खास बात मैं आपके साथ जो न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी विच हैज़ बीन रिवाइज्ड आफ्टर 34 years ऑफ the first revision took place on 34 years ago. So this is a very welcome move एंड ये पूरा इन्होंने सिस्टम चेंज कर दिया है। बहुत थॉट प्रोसेस के बाद इन्होंने जो अप्रोप्रिएट मेजर्स लिए हैं हमारी एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को देखते हुए। तो दोस्तों, मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स आपको उसके जो हाइलाइट्स हैं वो आपको बताना चाहती हूँ। सो यू मे ऑल्सो कन्फर्म फ्रॉम द डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ द एजुकेशन पॉलिसी विच हैज़ बीन डन with the further notifications which are also going to come, और जो notifications आ चुके हैं आप उनको भी रेफ़र करिएगा। just out of my curiosity I went through it and I understood the particular thing. So पहले थी 10+2 board structure is kind of dropped. Then the new school structure will be 5+3+3 is equal to +4. Then up to 5, class 5 preschool is going to be counted as preschool. 6 to 8 will be the middle school. 8 to 11 will be high school, and 12th onwards will be graduation, right? So any degree will be 4 years. 6th standard onwards vocational courses will be available. आपकी skills develop होंगी. Then from 8th to 11th you can choose your subjects. All graduation courses will have a major and a minor. Then, for example, a science student can have a physics as major and music as a minor. So any combination the child wants to choose can go ahead with that. Then all other higher educations will be governed by one authority. So you will not have multiple things which would be coming your way. UGC and AICTE will be merged. That's a very welcome move. Then all university, government, private, open, deemed, vocational will have same grading and other rules. So it's not going to be now that you're doing a distance education, so you will be not taken at par. The new teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teachers in the country. So it's going to be one structure meeting all, right? Then the same level of accreditation to any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous rights and the funds. Then you will have the basic learning programs which will be created by government for parents to teach our children up to 3 years at home, and preschool will be from 3 to 6, right? So the credit system for the graduation for each year will get credits which he can utilize. Even if he takes the breaks, that can be utilized, accumulated, and come back to the complete the course. Then all the school exams will be semester wise, twice a year. So you're all, it's not going to be that you're studying in the last year, so your education will be continuous. Then more focus on students' practical and application knowledge. Initially it was just education, which was just you rectify and and get marks. Now that is all going to go apart. Then for any graduation course, if student completes 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. Completes 2 years, he will get a diploma. 3 will he will then complete the full course, he will get a degree certificate. So no year of any student will be wasted if he breaks the course in between. And all the graduation course feed of all universities will be governed by a single authority with capping on each course. So now we can hope that the education will be at par with all the other countries. So our students will not suffer, and this is a very welcome move by one and all. And if a child wants to learn coding from class 6, why not? You can go ahead with anything. Watch the international universities which have their bases in India also. Now they also give you these majors and minors. So at the same time you can have a vocational minor and a major which you want to pursue. So you have a breakup of both. So friends, this is Sandhya signing out. और प्लीज़ इसका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन देखें, इसके नोटिफिकेशंस देखें, and then go ahead with it. All the best to the students and the teachers, and also to the government who has taken this particular step of modifying a system and coming at par with all the other countries which offer such courses. By then, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like if you found this video useful. And by then, take care.